Hi guys, how to fix direct message option not showing. That's the today's video. All you have to do guys to fix this problem, you want to just open your app store or play store and make sure you have the latest version of the app. Now I'm going to show you a couple of methods on how you can fix this problem, but the first method guys is to check if you have the latest version of the TikTok app. Now you want to search for TikTok, as you can see here guys. Make sure to click on TikTok on Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone. Now if it says open, that means you have the latest version of TikTok. Now if it says update, you have to update the TikTok app to the latest version. You want to click update in this blue button here. You want to click it and it will update to the latest version. Just wait for it a few seconds and you will have the latest version of TikTok. Now check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, that's probably because you don't follow TikTokers. You have to follow a TikToker before you can send a private message to them. Now, if you have if you have some favorite TikTokers on TikTok and you're trying to send a message to, just make sure to follow these people before you can see the message option in their profile. Like if it doesn't appear here or in the settings, probably you don't have it, doesn't appear in the settings where it says their direct messages. Let me show you guys how to fix this problem if the direct message is not showing. Now what you want to do guys, the last method guys which will work for everyone is to contact TikTok support, but you will have to wait 24 hours before they can get back to you. So all you have to do guys, in three lines in the top right, you want to click three lines in the top right and click settings and privacy, and after that you want to scroll down at the very bottom. It says here report a problem. You want to click on report a problem. Now you want to keep scrolling guys. At the very bottom it says here submit a report. You want to click on submit a report, and after that you want to type here, hi TikTok, please fix direct message option not showing, and at the very bottom it says there submit. Like you see here guys, make sure you type the same thing, hi TikTok, please fix direct message option not showing, and after that you want to click submit at the very bottom. Now that's exactly how you can fix direct message not showing on your TikTok. If this video helped you guys, let me know in the comments. Come back to this video, please be patient and come back to this video within 24 hours and let us if this works or not. Now if this works, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys next video.